Welcome back. The Memorial Day sales are already rolling out, and I was able to find some great deals at Home Depot and Amazon. Some are Memorial Day sales, some I think are just regular sales, but either way, let's go ahead and jump right in. So these first few are going to be at Home Depot. This first one is the rigid cold box. It's currently listed for $47.97, 40% off, limit 5 per order. So you're saving 40%. Seems like an excellent deal. Modular if you end up buying different boxes. Something to start off with. And next we have the Ryobi. This is a Memorial Day sale. This is bannered as the Ryobi Days free 1+ tool over $200 value. So this is the 1+ 18-volt lithium-ion starter kit with 2.0 amp hour battery and a 4.0 amp hour battery and charger. And so you essentially get 2 batteries, a charger, and then your choice of 1+ tool, all for $99. So whenever you're getting multiple batteries plus a charger plus a free tool for $99, it always seems like it's a pretty good deal, something to at least consider. Next, continuing with the Ryobi Days, we have the 1+ 18-volt lithium-ion high performance starter kit with 2.0 amp hour batteries and 2 4.0 amp hour batteries and charger. So this one you're getting 3 batteries plus a charger for $199 plus your choice of a free tool, and of course they show you the tools here as well. Again, now in this case you're getting 3 batteries, a charger plus a free tool. It gives you a good value with the choice of tool that you need. And then continuing with Ryobi, we have the 1+ HP 18-volt brushless cordless Jobsite hand vacuum tool only. But if you go ahead and do one of the other deals, you're gonna have plenty of batteries. This is $119, top rated buy, something to consider, especially with the other Ryobi Day sales that are going on. And then after that, we have another top rated Ryobi USB lithium 4-tool combo kit with screwdriver, glue pen, rotary tool, power cutter, 2 batteries, and a charger. So all of that for $129, saying it's 13% off, you save $20. Again, if you're in need of these types of tools, you can get them as a kit or as a bundle, and you're able to save a couple of bucks on that. So definitely something to consider. $129 for a 4-tool combo kit, especially essentials like that with a couple of batteries and charger, seems like a good deal. And then to round out Home Depot, this is a Memorial Day sale, so we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18-volt lithium-ion brushless cordless HACKZALL reciprocating saw with 1 5.0 amp hour battery and 1 2.0 amp hour battery and charger. Now, maybe I haven't been doing this long enough, but I don't see Milwaukee go on sale too often. So for $199, that is pricey in general. Not so pricey for Milwaukee. In this case, you're getting 2 batteries, a charger, and a tool. Seems like a decent deal. Again, something to consider, especially if you're in the Milwaukee line. And now moving on to our Amazon deals. So here we have Craftsman V20 angle grinder. I feel like I've done a few angle grinders in the past videos, but this is a small 4.5 inch with lithium-ion battery, the 4.0 amp hour charger sold separately. So this is $98. Now, I just recently bought a battery. I think it was $40 on its own, and that was on sale. So assuming you got that battery for $40, a tool, an angle grinder for $50 doesn't seem too bad, especially in this case, you're getting them bundled together for $98. Doesn't seem terrible, something to consider, maybe if you're in the Craftsman line. But the 4-hour amp batteries tend to be pretty pricey, and if you can combine it with the Craftsman angle grinder, again, something to consider. And continuing on, we have the KNIPEX 8605 150 SO2 tools, pliers, wrench special tie wrap removal version. So it's $56.83. It does say temporarily out of stock, but if it's something that you don't need right away, you can still purchase it, and then as soon as it becomes available in stock, it'll get shipped to you. So you can make use of the deal, you just won't necessarily get the tool right away. Continuing on, we have the BLACK+DECKER BCR TA601i cordless furniture assembly tool screwdriver. It's $19.99, 28% off. Solid deal if you don't have a simple cordless screwdriver. These come in super handy, and BLACK+DECKER, of course, is a solid brand. It's going to be a quality tool for $19.99. Can't go wrong with that, especially if you're in need. And of course, continuing on, now we have the BOSCH Wrap 7-pack 7-piece reciprocating saw blade set. These are always coming in clutch for 57% off, $9.98, basically just over $1 per blade. Seems like an excellent deal. You have the 7-piece set for $9.98, and you can kind of just tell that it's a good deal by going to the checking out the 8-piece set is $20. So 57% off, $9.98. If you're in need of some blades, definitely get these while you can. And continuing on, we have the SKIL RT 132301 router table and 10 amp fixed base router. This this is a limited time deal. It's $159 even, 20% off right now. It comes with the router table and the 10 amp fixed base router kit. A little bit of a combo there, $159. This was the best price that it's at. If you're in the market for a router table and they throw in the fixed base router kit, something to consider. And then rounding out the last item I have here on Amazon, we have the KNIPEX Cobra XS, the extra small water pump pliers, gray, atramentized, embossed, rough surface, 100mm, 87000100. These are $26.84, 23% off. These were the best price for these KNIPEX pliers. Definitely something to consider, especially based on the brand that it is. And those were the deals I was able to find for Memorial Day just as they're coming up. I'm sure more deals will start rolling out as the month continues on. Of course, good luck to everybody. Hope you find some good deals. Happy shopping. And as soon as I find some more deals, I'll send them your way.